learning set 3 USMLE-style questions based on the immunoglobulin isotypes, including naive versus activated B cells, isotype switching mechanisms, affinity versus avidity. Each question includes 5 answer choices with explanations and a mnemonic for easy recall. Mnemonic: GMOM and IgDad mature to plasma cells as they age. IgM and IgD expressed on naive B cells. A. IgA, IgG. E. IgE produced after isotype switching during B cell maturation. Question 1. A mature naive B cell encounters its antigen and is activated in a germinal center. With the help of cytokines and CD40L signaling, it begins producing IgA. This process is best described as A. Somatic hypermutation, B. VDJ recombination, C. Isotype switching, D. Antigen-independent diversity, E. Receptor editing. Correct answer, C. Isotype switching. Explanation: isotype switching, class switch recombination, changes the constant region of the antibody heavy chain, allowing production of IgA, IgG, or IgE after activation. It requires CD40L and cytokines. Why the others are incorrect? A. Somatic hypermutation alters variable region to increase affinity, not isotype. B. VDJ recombination occurs early in development, antigen independent. D. Antigen independent diversity refers to VDJ recombination, TDT activity. E. Receptor editing happens in the bone marrow to fix autoreactive B cells. Question 2. A patient has a mutation in the CD40 ligand, CD40L. Which of the following immunoglobulin profiles is most likely? A. High IgA, normal IgM. B. High IgG, high IgE, low IgM. C. Low IgM, high IgE. D. Normal IgM, low IgA, low IgE. E. High IgD, low IgM. Correct answer, D. Normal IgM, low IgA, low IgG, low IgE. Explanation: CD40L is essential for isotype switching. In its absence, B cells can't switch from IgM, IgD to other isotypes, leads to hyper-IgM syndrome. The others are incorrect. A. High IgA needs intact switching. B. High IgG and IgE wouldn't occur with CD40L deficiency. C. IgE requires IL-4 plus CD40L. E. IgD is co-expressed with IgM on naive cells, not increased in CD40L deficiency. Question 3. Which of the following best distinguishes affinity from avidity in antibody-antigen interactions? A. Affinity measures total antibody binding strength across multiple sites. B. Avidity only applies to monomeric antibodies like IgG. C. Affinity increases with the number of antigen binding sites. D. Avidity refers to combined strength of multiple antigen binding interactions. E. Affinity is affected by antibody isotype. Correct answer, D. Avidity refers to combined strength of multiple antigen binding interactions. Explanation: affinity equals strength of one antigen binding site. Avidity, overall strength of all binding sites working together, e.g., IgM pentamer has low affinity but high avidity. Why the others are incorrect? A. Describes avidity, not affinity. B. Avidity is highest in multivalent antibodies like IgM. C. Number of sites affects avidity, not individual affinity. E. Affinity depends on variable region, not isotype, constant region.